Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install Rocky Linux 8.4 on VirtualBox 6.1. So much awaited release from Rocky Linux. So Rocky Linux is the clone of Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8, which will be the alternate for CentOS. So first I am creating one new virtual machine. So I am choosing the Linux flavor as Red Hat 64-bit, since it is a clone of Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Next I am going to allocate RAM memory. So I am allocating around 8 GB. So next I am going to create a dynamically allocated virtual hard drive. So I am allocating around 40 GB. 40 GB this hard drive. Okay, I can able to see virtual machine is created successfully. Now I am allocating I am unchecking floppy drive, and pointing device should be USB tablet. So boot order, I have selected the DVD first. Next I am allocating CPU core 4 cores. Next storage, I am browsing Rocky Linux DVD ISO file. So I am going to point Rocky Linux DVD ISO file, which is already downloaded from Rocky Linux website. So this is the ISO file, so that Rocky Linux DVD is get booted. Yes, I can able to find the DVD. Yes, so storage I have pointed Rocky Linux DVD ISO file. So rest of the settings I am leaving as it is. Now everything is fine. Now let us start the installation of Rocky Linux 8.4 on VirtualBox 6.1. So I am starting the virtual machine now. Yes. So select the installed Rocky Linux 8. Yes, so the installation screen had arrived. So you can see that English will be the default language. So next click the continue button. So here you can see the installation summary page. So first I am selecting time and date accordingly to my time zone. Next installation device, select next software selection. I am selecting server with GUI as a base environment. So you can see lot of base environments are there. You can choose you can choose accordingly as per your needs. Okay. Next I am creating a root password. Next I am going to create a login user for this Rocky Linux and provide a password for that user. So done. So now let us begin the installation. So installation started. So installation completed, and I am rebooting the machine. So accept the license agreement. Finish configuration. Yes, so now I'm logging to the Rocky Linux 8.4 for the first time. So now we can see the welcome screen. So finish the settings for a welcome screen. So now I'm start use the Rocky Linux. So everything is fine now. So now first I'm going to change the display settings. Right click on the desktop display settings. You can see resolution. If you click the resolution, you can see lot of resolution types. So select accordingly. So I am selecting the resolution accordingly to my monitor. Yes. So now I can able to view Rocky Linux in the full screen. So let us see what are the applications bundled with Rocky Linux. So it is same like Red Hat Linux only. So basic system utilities only available in server with GUI as a base environment. Okay. Now let us go to the files. Okay. So now I am going to mount the Rocky Linux DVD ISO file to copy the copy and install the VirtualBox dependency RPMs. So this is the DVD of Rocky Linux. So I have copied these RPMs. So these are the list of RPMs I have copied from Rocky Linux DVD. So all these RPMs are available in DVD ISO file itself. No need to download from internet. So I am opening the terminal here. So I am going to install all these RPM in single shot. So these are the dependent RPMs needed by VirtualBox Guest Edition software. Otherwise, VirtualBox Guest Edition software will not install. So make sure that you log in as a root user to install these RPMs. So only root user can install the RPMs. Okay, all dependent RPMs are got installed. So now I am going to eject this DVD. Next I am going to mount VirtualBox Guest Edition CD image. So press the button insert Guest Edition CD image. So this will insert the VirtualBox Guest Edition software. So now I am going to that CD. I am copy the content of this CD and going to paste separately. So I am creating one directory, VirtualBox underscore GA. So I am pasting all the contents of Guest Edition software here. So from this directory we are going to install. So I am opening the terminal here. So login as a root user, then only you can install this VirtualBox Guest Edition software. Before that I am giving permission to the directory. Okay. So I am login as a root user. So this is the command /vbox linux editions.run. So this command will install the VirtualBox Guest Edition software to Rocky Linux 8.4. So now you can see that compilation is happening. Yes. So VirtualBox Guest Edition software installed successfully. So next step, what I am going to do is I am going to power off this machine. Instead of rebooting, I am power off and going to make one small setting, small change in VirtualBox settings. So I am closing everything. I am going to shut down. Now right click Rocky Linux virtual machine settings. So general advanced, I am going to enable share clipboard and drag and drop bidirectional. Okay, rest of the settings I am leaving as it is. So hard disk, I am changing the boot order. So it will boot from hard disk now. So now I am starting the virtual machine. So first thing we need to check is whether it is adjusted to full screen automatically or not. So now I am logging. Yes, so it is adjusted to full screen automatically. So now next step what I am going to do is I am going to test shared clipboard feature. So now I am opening the terminal in Rocky Linux. So I am going to type some command. Next I am going to paste that output in terminal to the Windows host machine. So this is the output of the command. So I am going to copy this entire output and paste it in Windows host machine to check whether share clipboard is working or not. Yes, I am copying this. Yes, so I can able to copy paste from Rocky Linux 8.4 to Windows host machine. So now let me type one sentence here and try to copy paste from Windows to Rocky Linux 8 virtual machine. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So Rocky Linux 8.4 installation on VirtualBox 6.1 with guest edition is successful.